to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in this video today, I'm doing a shop with me at the Goodwill. So come on with me, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, as you can see here, I am in the dishware section, and I also like to go through the glassware, but we're going to stick with the dishes today because this is a pretty big aisle. And let's see what we can find, guys. Let's see if you can spot something that I've already bought. Okay guys, so take a moment and head on over to the community tab where there you're going to find the calendar of collaborations for the month of February. I cannot wait to see you there, guys. Now we have a couple of reasons why I do collaborations. One of them is to help you grow. And this I know the Lord has placed on my heart to do, so that's exactly what I'm doing. Now, secondly, you get to meet other content creators. Very important that we get other people to follow us and enjoy our content. We also can glean from their content, and so that's always a win-win, guys, because the whole goal of this whole thing is to grow. Okay, so I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music, so I let you enjoy as I walk around thrifting to see what kind of gems we can find.
So many amazing items in this store, and this section is huge. I love it. I could be in here all day. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.